You want to hold the baby while you do certain time today? It's Friday. We can do it. You ready? Today is January 27th, 2012. Want to finish it? Go ahead.
Can I have it?
What's that?
No.
You don't know what that is? What is that dot?
Period.
Period. And what does the period do?
Stop the system.
It stops the sentence. All right, now we're down to the day of the week. And the day of the week is what?
Friday.
Friday. And what color is our day?
Blue.
It's a blue day. Excellent.
Okay, Mom.
No, for a start, we're going to put it over here because we know it's Friday. So we're going to start off from today is Friday. You ready? Here you are. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is
Friday.
That's today. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. That's today. Give yourselves a hand clap. All right.
Yay. Good job, clapping.
Alrighty, we down to the letter of the day. And the letter of the day is what?
R.
R. And we have a
Lowercase.
uppercase R and a
Lowercase.
lowercase r. And what begins with the letter R?
Robot.
Robot.
TV.
Try again.
Because I know. Radio.
Radio. Excellent. So we have robot and radio. You gonna pass the baton to the pointer to Kari? Thank you. So you're so smart. We can get through this really fast. All right.
Good job.
Come have a seat. Thank you, Soleil. All right. Now we're down to what's this? What's that?
Right time.
Now we're down to rhyme time. And rhyme begins with the letter R. And what else?
Ring.
Ring. And ring rhymes with what?
King.
King. All